Hi, my name is Sadiq Mujib. I'm going to give you a demonstration of a fuel injection pump, a diesel fuel injection pump, rotary pump. um, I'm going to show you the dismantle and the assembly, and after that, meanwhile, at the same time, I'm going to show you how the components, the inside components, how it works, and what are the benefits, what are the major role it plays in the pump. Yep, so let's start. Here goes the accelerator lever, the throttle, that's what we say, throttle. This controls your each and every movement of the vehicle. And come closer. This is the throttle lever which is there inside, and it is attached to the fulcrum lever. It's called fulcrum lever. We'll get to a little more detail as we dismantle the pump, the components, each and every components, how it works. Alright. I'm going to remove this head. It's called head, rotary head. This is the main function in the entire pump. Most important, this is a switch which is molded on the head, and this switch controls your entire engine starting and cut off. That's engine shutting off. It's called a solenoid switch. Here we go. Bolts are out. I'm going to take out the head. From the pump. And you got to be really tricky when you're taking it out. You've got pressure pistons here. This is the plunger which bolts in the head, and this is the accelerator slider. Your accelerator movements, your diesel quantity, everything is controlled in this. This plays a major role You're going to keep like this as it is. And most important, the worn out happens here in this area. If this area is worn out, you will never get anything proper, like low in pickup, and starting quantity is low, and the vehicle is not starting quickly if that thing is worn out. Here. Now we're going to remove thing called Falcon lever. Yeah, Falcon lever. Remember the slider thing I showed you? This thing is right mounted. This hole, come closer. This Falcon lever is molded here and right on the sliding slider, and that's how the accelerator works. Up and down, and you get more quantity, less quantity of diesel. This entire pump is made so compact. So, not like the inline pumps where you have each and everything is big. And in distributor pump, what we are doing right now, everything is minute, small, detailed, and each and everything matters a lot. This is the governor. Again, this moment is when the vehicle is running. So this is controlled again by the diesel pressure. So we're going to remove now. Here are the main. This is the cam ring. Got some rollers sitting on top of it. We're going to remove the pressure piston right now, which is molded inside here. Pressure piston works when the vehicle needs torque. When the vehicle needs a lot of torque, this pressure piston works. So the pressure, delivery, quantity, everything increases. So everything is managed here in this pressure piston. Come closer. This is a pin which sits in the tappet roller assembly. So remove that slight small pin. This pin is a lock, and push the slider. Remove the slider. Here we go. We're going to take out the tappet rollers. These tappet rollers plays a very most crucial part in the entire pump. And you need to be really careful when fitting and assembling it back again. These tappet rollers, the washers which comes along with this, you don't want to put the other side also. You're going to put other side, it's going to mess up the entire pump. So make sure you're putting the washers also properly. And now we're going to remove the shaft. This is called the dry shaft, which has got a small key attached to it. Again, this key rotates the vane pump which is inside. I'm going to show you that the next few minutes. This is the vane pump. So this vane pump is quite delicate, so you've got a separate tool for this to remove it very carefully. Yep, there you go. This is a vane pump, and this plays a main role in sucking the diesel from the diesel tank. It's got pipe connected here, and when it rotates, this part rotates. So can you see this blades functioning? So this creates a vacuum and suction of diesel in the pump. So this need to be really clean. And that's it. We are done. Pump it out. The next section, I'm going to pump is cleanly dismantled. The next session I'm going to show you how to assemble the same pump, and after that I'm going to put the pump on the calibration test bench. I'm going to show the entire detail how it's been calibrated. Yeah, thank you. Hi, Sadiq Bujur again. Now I'm going to show you the assembling part. The same pump was I dismantled some time back. I'm going to show you the same pump. The reason why we mount on this bed is we get a firm hand so that we can turn around the pump in whatever position we want. It's more convenient than using on the table, right? See these movements? See these movements? This is the main reason why we mold the entire pump on this bed. Now, the pump fitting has to be really careful and precise. Everything has to go exactly the way how it has to be done. A little bit of confusion, a little bit of mistake can destroy the entire pump. So after the cleaning, you make sure the vane pump is cleaned and everything. The same way, with this holder, the vane pump goes back inside again. With this vane pump, the screws goes Yep. Now the shaft goes. And to be noted, the shaft's got a small minute key which holds the vane pump and rotates. So the vane pump's got a groove, and this shaft key is going to go exactly right into the vane pump groove so that it moves when it rotates. Even the vane pump also has been rotated at the same time. Yep, there you go. Now goes the piston, the pressure piston. The pressure piston, remember what I had told you? Now goes the roller assembly. Make sure the washers all are exactly in the right position. Have a second check on that, and ready to assemble. Yeah. And the piston yeah, this pressure piston is got a small pin which is connected to the rollers, and that's how in the pressure in the high torque, when you got excessive load, that's how the piston works. A small pin on top of it. We've got a small lock. Yeah, that's good. A small piston, and on top goes the cam ring. Moreover, before that, the piston, where pistons goes inside. And here goes the actuator. It's got two grooves here the cam ring goes inside. Now goes the corner. And here goes the Falcon Leo. Now, the main, the head goes inside. So, this has to be really precise, very accurate. For it to be a little more better, apply some grease so that the spring doesn't comes out at the time of assembling it. Yep. We attach the pin first. Oh, you see this groove? This groove has to go directly into this cam plate groove. Okay. Here go the tension springs. Here goes the head. As I said, have to be really precise, really very careful assembling this. Yep. It's done. You're gonna lock the head now with the bolts. pump is assembled. Now we're going to fix the accelerator lever. What do you call a throttle lever. Here goes the top housing. Holes getting tight. And the last, we fix the accelerator lever. And with this, accelerator lever has got some marks on it, so you need to be really careful in fixing it back and make sure you don't miss the marks on this lever. Or if you want, you can, before opening it, you can just tap a little bit the marking. Here we go, pump is assembled, and here goes the solenoid switch. And this is the full load. Pump is assembled now for the calibration on the test bench. The next video I'm going to show you how the calibration has been done on the test bench. Right? Thank you. Back again. You have seen the dismantling and the assembling part. Now the pump is completely molded on the machine. Now I'm going to show you the entire calibration, how precisely it's been done. Each and every pump, when it's been manufactured from the company, it's at the same time the company people also releases the calibration chart. So this pump is being manufactured by Bosch. So we have a calibration chart given by Bosch. It gives us supporting. So come and have a look at the calibration chart. This is the calibration chart for this particular pump, and no matter what, we cannot go anything outside than this. So each and everything, whatever the calibration has been done for the pump, it has to be precisely matching to this, right? So let's keep this here, and we're going to calibration the pump, do the calibration. At the same time, I'm going to have a look at the chart and I'm going to match to finish the calibration. Usually calibration doesn't take much of time. It's about 10 to 15 minutes. It all depends on the fitting, the assembly part, how well you have done the assembly. The assembly is done good. The calibration should take maximum to about 10 minutes. So we're going to start with this on the machine. There's a slight change which needs to be done in the accelerator lever. There's a slight change need to be done in the accelerator lever. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to open just the top and do the adjustment and fix it back again. Perfect, open it. You're going to open the top, it's called the housing top, and some last adjustments need to be done. This is the governor. This small little adjustment, I'm fixing back the housing. And now I hope I should get the exact setting what I'm looking for. And come closer. This is the overflow pipe, which is again connected to the meter over here and shows me the exact pressure, the pump pressure, how much is it. And this is again an overflow pipe. The diesel goes back into the tank. Now with this little bit of small adjustments, I think it should be ready to go. Let me have a look at the chart again. Yes, pressure. That's how the pressure works. This is the pump pressure. 80 psi. Okay, then. With this, the entire pump setting is done. The calibration test bench pump is ready to merge with the engine and perform at its best. I hope I have shown you the details and made you understand how the entire pump works, especially the distributor pump. Alright, thank you and all the best.